So Brian, we're here at the data logging station for our test rig. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about the instrumentation that we use.
Yeah, absolutely. Basically what we have is 2 high-speed data loggers. Each data logger has 8 analog inputs on it. They are all hooked to the PC so that they are able to sample the data at very high speeds. Wired to those data loggers are pressure transducers that do record at as little as 1 millisecond, and the data loggers will record at 44,000 hertz, so we are able to get 1 data point every millisecond. So over the duration of a pulse, which lasts 250 milliseconds, we're getting 250 data points in that time.
Right, and it's also really important to note that we're using real full-size equipment. So here we have a timer board hooked up that we would have on our standard baghouse supply. We're also using our normal 14-inch air header that we have on a 30-foot filter bag installation and a 3-inch pulse valve. So all the data that we record is real, actual data. We're not using any small models or making any assumptions.
We also, the reason that we have the 8 channels each is we actually did put pressure transmitters in the air header, in the blowpipe, and down the length of a bag. So we would actually know all at the same time what we're seeing happen in real time and how the delays happen as it goes down the bag through the air header and through the pulse pipe.